Oh, what's up, friends and fans, family, or whoever is watching this, All right. Your boy Dominoes Seven here on Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube and stuff like that. Doing these gaming videos, gameplays and stuff like that. Okay. I would like to welcome y'all to my Facebook live stream, eventually on YouTube. Okay. All right, so I spoke to a fan of mine when I was doing the YouTube live. If you're watching this on YouTube, uh, uh, I'm not gonna. Well, anyway, there was something that was said, but I'm not gonna say who said it. Well, because when I'm like, I mean, I wouldn't have said what I said nothing like that. I mean, what was said. Well, my family gonna call me up and say what was said. But I'm gonna keep this off my show, because that's gonna cause a lot of backlash, cursing and yelling and arguing and stuff like that. I mean, like I said, I understand when you say things you don't mean to say and stuff like that. But sometimes you gotta save it, keep it to yourself, instead of because don't get me wrong. Sometimes I say things offensive though. Yeah, I do myself. I tries not to, ladies and gentlemen. I tries not to. You know. I don't mean to say things out of the ordinary like other people would. Or they going to y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Hey, my twin brother is afraid of that. You know. Yeah, hopefully I'm a live in live somewhere where they don't have that much noise. Oh look, all right, look at that. Well, nobody can't see that though. Okay, all right. So anyway, as I was saying, y'all. All right, so I mean, I'm not gonna be on here and just that person. But sometimes you gotta be careful what you're saying though. Okay. So pretty soon your boy Donald Summer gonna move on up to the East Wing to a deluxe apartment in the ground. Psych! A deluxe apartment in the sky. Psych! Well, underground. Moving on down. Well, my ex-girlfriend got promoted, and your boy Dominoes Seven gonna reach the top. Who else gonna reach the top? Who the hell gonna reach the top? Who's gonna reach the top? Let's look around a bit, okay? I remember the first time I filmed back here, it was on one of my old cameras, and I still got it. I still have it. Still got it, still have it. All right, all right. Yeah, so I'm like, somebody says something, but I'm not gonna say who. But that that person identity is gonna remain withheld. The YouTube is gonna remain withheld. Okay, so if you're watching this, don't comment or you're gonna expose yourself. Okay, if this video on YouTube and you watch this, don't comment because you're gonna expose yourself because people watch my shows. Okay, I'm just letting you know. Okay, so yeah, all right, because if anybody gonna comment, please use profanity. Okay, please don't. Okay, because I don't like all that. Oh my God. Uh, I say it, oh my God, because I saw a moth or something on my friend's window. You know, I don't know if it was a moth or I don't know if it's a moth or a roach or something. Cause when they get freezing cold, I don't think they'll probably come out. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, they say they come from the trees. Sometimes they come from the sewer. You know, they don't just come from trees. They come from the sewer. Look down here. Sometimes they come from these bushes. At the beginning of the year, I cut these bushes. You know. Yeah, I did. I cut them and stuff like that. Oh, y'all can't see. Well, pretty soon your boy Domino gonna be moving on up. You know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, top of the world. You know. Mm-hmm. Whatever y'all see, y'all gonna see. Mm-hmm. Your boy Domino 7 is a future celebrity. Will Domino 7 marry a singer? Yes, Domino 7 will marry a singer. You know, a girl, a woman, I should say, will not be afraid to be shown on camera. You know, she not gonna be afraid to be shown on camera. Thank God for that. You know. So honestly, I really don't want a woman that's camera shy. You know, cause the woman I want is a woman that is not afraid to be shown on TV. You know. Hopefully, Dominique is not is well. If I may show y'all her video if she want me to. You know. Mm-hmm. Yep. She beautiful. You know. All right. Y'all pray with me, okay? So, in January or February, I'm gonna be going to church, and I'm gonna do a YouTube live in church, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, okay? So bring some church on my YouTube channel, okay? That's what I'm gonna do, okay? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. All right, okay. So how would Domino 7 do this? Okay. So I'm asking y'all a question. How in the name of God would Domino do this? Okay. So how would I do a show on YouTube in church like I did before? Cause you know, I uploaded some videos in a church house that I haven't uploaded on this channel yet. You know. So let me just about to go. Cause I'm about to see if they gonna come knock on my door. So be quiet, y'all. All right. How y'all doing? All right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, by me chilling out here at a nightfall and stuff like that, you know. So actually, I was standing right here because I was thinking that they gonna be the ones to knock on my door and run away because I've been having those type of problems, you know. I've been having some problems with people not knocking on my door and running away, you know. Okay, so yeah. All right, so that's all I'm gonna say for right now, ladies and gentlemen. So one more thing I want to say. I mean, to me, Lizzie Velasquez is beautiful. So I understand, but don't. But all I'm saying is don't never talk about her. Okay. All right. So because I remember one time a YouTuber, I don't even think she ever he or she or whoever that was that commented about her eye and stuff like that. Other YouTubers cursed at that person, talking about, oh, I was just saying this or saying that. Some things you can't say. You understand? I understand it's your mouth and you can say whatever you want, but be careful what you're saying though. Okay, that's all I'm saying, y'all. Be careful what you're saying though. So because you could really get cursed out talking about people like that, you know. Okay, especially with their disability or something like that. Because I have a disability myself, you know. So sometimes you got to be careful what you're saying, you know. Mm-hmm. This Facebook Live point of view is what I'm saying is you got to be careful what you're saying though, you know, because suppose if you're cause you know, I mean things scare me, you know. I'm not going, you know. I understand though, but I get scared very easily, you know, because I'm a scary person sometimes. Depends on what it is, but I'm not scared of people, you know. I'm not scared of people that wanna harm Domino, because I would stand up to them, you know. So yeah, so that's all there is to it, you know. That's how Domino Seven roll. Cause things scare me from time to time. All right, that's that. All right, so so anyway, y'all. By me just out here chilling, and my best friend blasting on music next door and stuff like that, that don't disturb me, you know. Cause if I ever do move from back here, I'm sure gonna miss that, you know. She's having a party of her own, okay. So yeah, I'm sure gonna miss that, and I sure like the boogie down, like I did for a birthday in 2019, or my bad 2020. My bad 2020 when she invited me to her house for a birthday party and stuff like that. And I came inside to do my work and stuff like that. I was doing my work and stuff like that, and then and then when I came back out, they might have sung happy birthday to her, and when I came back around, they offered me a piece of cake, you know. See, it's good to have good friends though, especially people that care about you, you know. I mean, people say things out of anger, you know. My point of view is sometimes you can't say things, but if you say things out of anger, that's okay. All you gotta do is apologize, you know. All you do is apologize, okay? That's all there is to it, you know. Okay, cause you know I say some things out of anger. I mean, so sometimes when you say you wish death upon somebody, I don't mean to do that. Cause honestly, I was just mad. I was just frustrated. I said that about my own brother, you know. Cause you know, right here, he hit me with a slip a long time ago. You know, I was very frustrated. You know, it didn't bother nobody, but it bothered me. You know. So so as I was saying though, I'm just here just to you know, do a little foreseeable dizzle as much as that, you know. All right, let me make a phone call and stuff like that. I'm about to upload this to YouTube, but first I'm about to make a phone call. All right. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and peace out.